In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Twitch Studio on your PC using OBS. If you're eager to start streaming or just want to explore what Twitch has to offer, you'll need a reliable tool to broadcast your content, and Twitch Studio via OBS is a fantastic way to do that. So let's dive in and get you set up step by step. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Twitch's official website. You can easily find it by typing in twitch.tv in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a host of content from various streamers on the homepage, along with an option to log in if you haven't already done so. After you're on the Twitch homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll see your profile icon if you're logged in. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to many features, including the option we need to get started with streaming tools. After clicking your profile icon, locate and click on the option labeled Create a Dashboard. This area is specifically designed for content creators and offers an array of options to help enhance your streaming experience. It's the central hub for managing your Twitch channel's settings and getting access to all the essential tools you need. Now that you're in the Creator dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side where you'll find various options. Scroll through until you find the one labeled Streaming Tools. Clicking on this will open up a section with different broadcasting tools that are integrated with Twitch. This includes various tools that can enhance your streaming setup. Here, you'll find what you need: Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS for short. Click on the OB link. This will redirect you to a section where you can download the software. You'll notice options for different operating systems such as Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's crucial to select the correct download for your operating system to ensure compatibility and smooth performance. With that in mind, click on the appropriate OS version for your PC. The download should commence shortly after you make your selection. If prompted, choose a location on your computer where you want to save the OBS installer file, and then allow the download to complete. Once downloaded, navigate to where you saved the installer file and double-click it to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This typically involves agreeing to terms of service and selecting install preferences, and that wraps up the steps for downloading Twitch Studio using OBS on your PC. You're now ready to start exploring all the features OBS offers and begin your live streaming journey. Happy streaming!